The third safe haven I found in a doomsday, a deserted airplane wreck. Its shell corroded by acid rain and sandstorms, yet strangely devoid of zombies. With the latter barely holding, I dragged my injured leg into the cockpit. Inside, some canned food and water offered me a brief respite. I found expired medicine, still usable. As I applied the ointment, a sharp pain reminded me of my survival.
City building game possess a unique magic, fast-forwarding players' time as they meticulously craft and refine their cities. Today, I'm excited to introduce a post-apocalyptic SLG game. Beyond designing and refining city, players also confront natural disasters like droughts, acid rain, and sandstorms. Witnessing the decay of structures and the resilience of virtual citizens in adversity instills a profound sense of duty. It's up to you to safeguard these digital lives and rekindle the flame of humanity.